what's up? It's Kirsty. Welcome back to the channel. I'm outside. I'm gonna give you a hair update and also give you a little Sephora unboxing. So first things first, I did knotless braids on my head 7 days ago. So I have a head wrap on. This is from Pitre. I was cooking in the kitchen and needed my hair up. So here is how the hair is doing. My hair is holding up just fine. I actually can go another week, so it still looks good. Good. My edges, I didn't do them, and I don't really have any hair sticking out, so that's pretty good, you know. So yeah, my hair is doing good. If you guys want full details on how to do knotless braids on yourself, then go ahead and watch the video that I posted. And yeah, good. My scalp is not itchy. Majority of the time, the reason why I take out my hair is because my scalp tends to get itchy. So I really haven't had a problem with that, and so yeah, my hair is doing good. As far as sleeping with my knotless braids, I typically wrap it in a scarf and then I put my bonnet on top of that and then I go to sleep. I do use Hemp Bae to moisturize the scalp if it feels like dry in spots, but I've only had to do that like 2 times. It really hasn't felt that dry. I really just did it just to out of habit. Other than Hemp Bae and my scarves for sleeping maintenance, girl, I don't do nothing else. That was the whole reason I put the braids in, so I could leave it and go. So let's get right into the unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna start with eye makeup. The first thing that I got is this Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette. It's a black owned brand at Sephora. The quality, like they're heavy duty, and I've gotten compliments on her colors every single time that I wear them. So these are the colors. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. And then closer, these are the colors. Very nice. Next thing I have is from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty is also an eyeshadow palette. It's a much smaller one. Okay. And I got it because of the browns. And I'm a huge fan of oranges and browns. Let me swatch all of these for you. So these are all of the colors from her palette. Very warm, very orange. Those are the eyeshadows. I decided to get a small one because I need one that's just a little bit more travel friendly. So the next things that I got was 2 eyeshadow brushes. I got a crease brush and a shadow brush. As you can see, you're literally, one is for the blending, this one I use for applying. I just needed to have extra brushes because I'm not very good at cleaning all the brushes, so I just got a couple. This is from Hourglass. This is the Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick. Vanish Blush Stick. And it's in the color Sacred. It in. It's very subtle, still pink, but not too in your face. I like it. Looks like a huge lipstick. Next is also from makeup. I got this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Walnut. This is my under eye concealer that I use just for everyday wear. It's my favorite. It's perfect. And I just typically wear this every day or every couple days when I feel like having makeup and not a lot of makeup. And if I wanted a more highlighted color, I get caramel, and that one gives me a little bit brighter under eye. So my shade is walnut, but if I want it super bright, I'll use caramel. This is not makeup, but it's a little bit more for skincare. I got these facial razors. And the reason I got them is because shaving your face helps your makeup products get into your skin faster. So you're supposed to clear all the hair and stuff. Not only does it help the products absorb better, it just helps your skin to look smoother. So I got this. It's a set of 4. Speaking of skincare, I got this Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Very cute packaging. Okay, this is what it looks like. Very pretty. Oh, okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And the applicator is like that. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to come out of your... I don't know. But I'm gonna just, I guess I'll be tapping it on my face. Oh, stupid. It's a pump top. So this is what it looks like, and it has a pump top. Smart. So anyways, serums are good to use. Well, I've been using serums for the last 3 or 4 years now. I just wanted to try this one just because of the vitamin C and also dark spot serum got me. I do have a little bit of discoloration around here, but that's normal. But I just really wanted another serum because I love using serums after I clean my face. So it says it has 5 forms of vitamin C. It has guava seed extract. It has an acid in here, some vitamin E, and another acid. So I'm just excited to try it. Let's go. This is also kind of considered skincare. This is from Replica. This is Coffee Break. So I follow this page on Instagram called, let's see, Black Girl Fragrance. Oh no, it's called Black Girls Smell Good. So the page is called Black Girls Smell Good, and this was a perfume that they talked about on there. And so I was like, I'm gonna try this. So we're gonna let that sit. I like it. It's clean. So all of Replica's scents, they're really clean. My all-time favorite is Bubble Bath. I'm not really getting the coffee. It smells warm to me. Okay, I can smell the coffee. The coffee scent kind of comes later, but it's not like McDonald's, Starbucks coffee. Like, it's like you can kind of smell the roasted bean. Very nice. I like it. This is the last thing. This is a candle set from Forever Mood by Jackie Aina. This is my first time getting her candles. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this Look at this, how adorable. Look how adorable. Let me look at the things. So matcha has hazelnut. Okay, I said cocoa. So it has hazelnut, almond milk, honey, coffee, lavender, base is vanilla. That was amazing. Left on red was fruit, coconut, milk, and caramel. I definitely didn't get that right. Caked up. Oh, it's almond and jasmine and musk. Cuffing season is lemon, citrus. It's very nice. Very nice. I'm very happy with all of the scents. Okay guys, so that was everything in the haul. I showed you eyeshadow, concealer, skincare, some skincare tools, some smell goods, and home smell goods. I also got this lip balm from Laneige. It is berry, and this is actually a balm. I usually use the mask to sleep in at night, but it's too big to carry in my little purses, so I got this as a, you know, I can carry it around. But I really like their lip products. Alright, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul and my hair update. That's the end of this video. Please comment down below if you think of anything that I should be trying from Sephora, or just any hairstyles that you guys think would look adorable on me, that I'm missing out on, that I haven't tried, because, you know, it's been a minute. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys.